Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'm talking about the key skills managers need to lead diverse teams successfully. We'll look at what diversity means, how human behavior plays a part of it, and three really important skills every manager should focus on. What do we mean when we say diversity in the workplace? When we say diversity in the workplace, we really mean having people from different cultures, backgrounds, genders, ages, abilities, and experience. This mix helps create activity and innovation, which is why so many good companies value it. In this session, I'm going to explore how managers can use this diversity as a strength for their organization. The dynamics of human behavior. Now, human behavior is shaped by so many different things like culture, personality, and even what we believe in, our values, all those things come to play. Sometimes we bring unconscious biases into the workplace without even realizing it. In return, this can hurt teamwork. Understanding different communication styles and cultural expectations can really help managers keep everyone included, and it can reduce conflict. There's three skills I want to talk to you today about, but the first skill I want to focus on is cultural intelligence, or CQ. This is basically your ability to work well with people from other cultures. It's not just knowing about their different customs, it's about adapting your behavior when needed. For example, a manager might slow down decision making to include input from a culture that values group consensus. The importance of CQ is it builds trust and it improves collaboration. The second skill I want to talk about is emotional intelligence, or EI. According to Goldman, this is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own and others' emotions. When we have strong EI, they can handle tricky situations more calmly and support their team better. For example, if there's a misunderstanding between two employees from two different cultures, a manager with good EI can mediate without making either person feel blamed. The key elements of emotional intelligence is self-awareness, empathy, and relationship managers. And the final skill that we want to talk about, and I feel this is a very important skill, is inclusive communication. This means making sure the way we talk, write, and listen at work makes everyone feel included. It has to be respectful, clear, and bias-free. Managers can do this by using simple language. Encouraging quieter team members to speak up is a good example, and checking that everyone feels heard, even if English isn't their first language. This reduces exclusion and it encourages participation. Practices that can be used is active listening, open feedback channels, and psychological safety. When managers use cultural intelligence, emotional intelligence, and inclusive communication together, they build teams where people trust each other and feel motivated. This is where we see real collaboration and innovation happening. So to wrap things up, leading a diverse team takes practice, it takes time, but it's absolutely worth it. By building these three skills, managers can create workplaces where everyone feels valued and engaged, and that leads to better results for the whole organization. And finally, I didn't just get this information at the thumb sucking. Here is my reference list. Go ahead and read some of these links. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.